this is Cindy with AkronOhioMoms.com. I'm here to tell you about Strata Stones. This is what we use for our backsplash in our new kitchen. This is called the Pebble Stones, and they come in a variety of different color schemes. We are using the more natural color scheme. And they come in these 12-inch by 12-inch sections that you adhere to your wall. You can use it also on your floor, interior, exterior walls, even around swimming pools, bathtub, shower enclosures, anything. We have chosen to put this as our backsplash in our kitchen, and we also put it around our window to kind of frame it out and make it a very natural looking kitchen. Basically how you adhere this just like you would any other kind of tile. We used a mortar. You can also use different kind of adhesives, and that was really simple to do, to place. And the stones are so naturally placed that it's very easy to put on your wall or whatnot, and they just look very natural. And then from there we used a grout, and put the grout on, clean the haze off, and we ended up putting a polish on ours, a high gloss polish, which isn't necessarily, but we like that. So this is Strata Stones. It's a do-it-yourself kind of project that anyone can do to update the look of your kitchen, to give it a nice polished finished look. For a full detailed review on how to buy them online, go to AkronOhioMoms.com.